beautiful people. Welcome to the round number 3 of me trying to improve myself in programming. I'm working on... Why do I have... Oh, I have this open, yeah. So we are working on this, on the front end part of the application. We did edit that. So basically I did complete the ticket already. Let's think about it when we get there. So, as most of you probably know, I split the exercises or rounds into 3 minutes of typing exercise and 35 or so minutes of developing, learning, and so on. So, let's get into it. Let's get into it. I like the shorter typing exercises more, I think. Yeah. So it was 4:43, 43, and now this should be gone. And yeah, I made a mistake. This will show now all the time. But this is nice. Look, like everything's green, everything's improving. Nice. And you can see where I started, right? You said that your best was 5% and 30 BPM. And my average for first 7 days was this. And this, I just immediately realized what I did after running it in here. Oh well. So it will remind me every single time, almost that I'm better than that, because I wanted the original. Yeah, the original intention was that I can see the green color, and in here, and that is only because this is the change, right? This is how the all time changes, like it is surrounded to the 2 decimal places, right? So I know like on a like third or fourth decimal places there is some improvement, you know, but rounded is it like that? But then because I'm using the same method to print this too, you know, the first 7 days doesn't change by saving another record, right? So even though like all of this will not be green, I still want to see like that I was actually better, you know, than the first 7 days. So that was the intention. That was the intention, and I kind of missed it. You know, I did not think it through. It's okay. I can see that, and I think I will leave it for a little bit. Anyway. Yeah, exactly. That's what I thought, but I can achieve symmetry in different ways too, right? I could remove this and just do the spaces, you know? Like here would be 8.34% and then fill it with spaces. And 32.8 there would be like spaces or double words per minute, and the spaces like here, right? There's more solution, but I kind of like this because I'm using the same method to print every single line, right? So I basically have, well, you saw my code, right? So I have the two maps which have the statistics for before and after saving the new entry. It's nice to see it going down again because it was around 7 like a few days ago, and that's actually something which convinced me not to smoke weed at all. Not that I would do it like often. I did smoke it for like once per year, maybe once per 2 years or something like that, you know. But I was like tracking my progress in this, right? And it took like long time to I could see the effect in here. Normally, if you would ask me, I wouldn't know, but I did measure it like in here, and the effect was like long lasting. It was like week or something. For one evening of smoking pot, you know, I had like my performance was down for a week. For a week. But I did not know. I did not know. If I wouldn't measure it, I would not have an idea. You know, I thought that I'm okay, you know, it's no problem, you know. I wonder if like alcohol has like similar results, but what I've heard like from the studies is, which I read from the studies, is that the lack of sleep has also this long lasting effect, like a big effect on the performance, and especially in cognitive tasks. Anyway, so that concludes the typing session. We're like 5 minutes over, but that's okay. We are having a good time. And I'll start the timer, and I just realized that I do have a scope creep in here. This is not what... This is something which I want to do, but I'm not sure if I want to do it in this ticket, because because yeah, as Nerius reminded us, it is really convenient to have a small, almost tiny pull requests, because then it is easier to process it for everyone, and we get much more feedback as well if we do small pull requests. Ooh. Hey Vincent, welcome to the channel. You're here for the first time, right? Oh no, you're not. Second time, you came the first time with the huge raid. Oh yes, that insane raid with all of the followers and subscriptions and so on. And you came from the Milky Dev, right? I think. Well, I'll probably... Yeah, welcome back. Nice to see you again. So I think I'm actually in good shape to create a pull request. Yeah, I think that's correct. So what do we have here? The history, what we did. God damn it. Here, merge. Test for pageable 8 point. What? Okay, I did this some time ago, I don't even remember. And then here we have... Okay, so that looks better. There's much more things we did. This is something which we should address too. Right, page, what? It's probably not there anymore. Maybe I could clean up the front end in here as well, because currently it looks like this, right? I can do that. I also can add duplicate, so that is something which we should not have and definitely falls into the scope of this ticket, so we will do that. So I found something nice. So we will go to the component, and somewhere in here we have add selected category. That's not it. Update map, also not. Select ingredient, yes. So let's say if this select ingredients dot as contains now selected ingredients. we will say ingredient and oh fuck, because I have same identifiers right there and there. That's bad. So this will be already selected. Dot ID done equals ingredient dot ID, and it will be reversed condition, and then we will move you there and beautify everything. And now if we edit once, we have it, and second one, it doesn't let me, haha. Nice. I know how to do shit. It's pretty nice. So that was pretty neat. How do I phrase it to be disabling selection of only, yeah, that's a good one. Hello, only unique selected. Hello, only select unique ingredient. That's, I like that. Push it the right way. Now I wanted to clean up a little bit the thing here, right? So this is no longer needed. This was for like testing purposes. Component HTML, yep. And this is even commented out. Shift enter is it? Okay. What's it? What is it? Well, anyway, I will remove what I wanted to remove. That is in here. This guy. Displaying that. This also I don't need. Here we go. And we have those. That works. Bum, bum, bum. beautiful. Now what else I don't want here? What is on my mind now? I was looking at this and I was thinking like, do I want to like use those, you know, like in here, like let's say I have a requirements to have this amount of energy, this amount of, I don't know, like iron and so on per day intake, you know, and I was thinking about like, okay, so should I put in here like for each of the category, like each column would be like energy, then I would have the slider, and then I have to decide between the percentage or like the numeric value. And then I was thinking like, okay, so maybe I want to see like how much do I get per 100 grams and so on. And after just being lost for a little bit in my mind in that, then I decided like, well, all of those questions might be valid, but the goal of this ticket is only to have the ability to add those things to a list, which will be displayed on a page, which we did achieve. So we should keep it small, right, and simple. So I should not be adding more functionality because that will make the PR bigger and bigger. Cheese, Lipno. Oh, that is Czech. Czech cheese. Of course, it's Czech food database, so no wonder. Yeah, I think more or less it's okay. More or less it's okay. I think it's good enough for the PR. Why do I have this commented thing in here, huh? Oh yeah, so this is the slider thingy. Okay, this is alt. We don't need this. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, I think I will keep it as it is. As needs to be committed also. So what we did here, just the cleanup, right? Yeah, just the cleanup of the view. Push. And we will create a pull request. What's the best thing about Switzerland? Fuck this big plus. I want to text. I love this. A programmer humor, huh? This is awesome. Okay, I'll post. This is nice too. This is nice too. I like this. I like this. Yeah. Yeah. It's nice CGI. Okay. This one I'll put in. Many, my friend. Many. I have like this bad habit of having opening, and that's not even all. Yeah, that's all. That's all of the tabs. Oh no, it's not all. There's much more. Where's that? There's like 4 more over here. I have a really bad habit of not closing. Tabs. Yeah. The problem is the person who will be viewing it will not understand the shit which I just did, so this might come out passively aggressive, so I'll put it in. Whatever. Whatever. There was one which I kind of liked. That was after the algorithm, I think. The algorithm. Fuck that. I don't want to put anything in here. I am a user. Useful command. Create pull request, go. Okay, so what we will be doing next? Reference green command cause issue, and in the project here, yeah, cool, it's done. Food categories, nutrients, type, requirements. Yeah, so this is something which I have to think about, like how the fuck I will do that. So what would be the next thing to do here? So I would like to specify how I can do it without the users, I think. Yeah, so maybe first I can add like calculating the energy requirement. Then maybe I want this, maybe I don't. Well, I need to visit the room, so I'll be right back. Or in a minute, who knows? Ah, that's not pleasant. This thing. Yeah, do not buy it. Yeah, and I was kind of thinking about what I will do next round. So maybe I will start with the energy requirements. And maybe I want to have it on the front end only first. I wonder what all can be seen. Oh. Maybe. And only after that do something on the back end. Yeah, that sounds like a way how to approach this. I would have like some number, then I would add maybe those things, and there will be like the percentage, and on the right it would be like how much I need to like have in order to change or fulfill the requirement. Or it could, at the first step first, I could just edit. It will display how much of energy. I would have like this slider maybe in it, or this number. What is the recommended daily dose of energy? I have it in calories. Yeah. 2,500. Okay. So that's 2.5 kilo calories. That's per 100 grams, really? And next thing which I need to implement is this searching for the things. Definitely. because so we have few things which we want to do, right? So we can put it in here as a new thing. Note. Not have an issue. So new issue. So pagination with sorting. How do you spell that? Conveyed search for ingredient by listing pages. Based on in will be much better alternate. Gradient names are changed. So that's one thing. And we are over the time limit, which means we are done. Done is better than perfect. And